Hi, welcome to Unit 6. In this unit, we continue to focus on CSS. We start to actually make some things that legitimately look good, that aren't just a bunch of random colors, but things that are color coordinated, things that are laid out nicely, and those are really at the end of this unit. But before we get there, we have three main objectives that we want to talk about. The first is that I want to show you some of the important font and text-related properties in CSS. Things like font size, font weight, how do we actually set the font. And so we'll talk about that in the first few videos. And then I'll show you how we can include some good-looking external fonts using a tool called Google Fonts. And then our final main objective for this unit is to talk about something called the box model, which is a really important concept that's intrinsic to how CSS works. And then once we do those three things, we're going to work on three different projects. The first project is the simplest and the least exciting, I'd say. We're going to make a simple tic-tac-toe board. It's not going to work. There's no logic behind it. We're just going to make a simple grid with some lines and center some things. And that's really to hammer home the way that the box model works. And then things get a little more exciting. We're going to make an image portfolio site. So an image gallery, all black and white images, include a font, make things look pretty nice. We'll make it responsive. And I think you'll enjoy that one. And then finally, we'll make an HTML and CSS blog. And the idea on this final exercise is that it's an exercise. Rather than a project where you just follow what I do, you'll actually be asked to recreate it yourself first and see how you can do using the concepts that we learned in this unit and the previous unit. And then there'll be a solution video that's really comprehensive. We go through the entire process from scratch. So we definitely have a jam-packed unit. Let's go ahead and get started.